Environment pollution. Question 1. Consider the following factors of environmental pollution. 1. Radioactivity. 2. Heavy metal salts. 3. Glass. 4. Pollen from plants. 5. Stratospheric ozone. Which of the above factors contribute to environmental pollution? A. 1, 3, 4, and 5. B. 2, 3, and 4. C. 1, 2, 3, and 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Question 2. In the context of air pollution, which of the statements given below are incorrect? 1. Aluminum silicate is a major component of fly ash. 2. Replacing cement with fly ash aggravates the pollution levels. 3. Fly ash largely hampers the productivity of the crops. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 3. In the context of the coal used by the thermal power plants, TPP, consider the following statements. 1. It is mandatory for a TPP to use coal with less than 34% of its ash content. 2. Higher ash content in coal increases the per unit generation of power. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following pairs. Technology main targeted pollutant. 1. Flue gas desulfurization, hydrogen sulfide. 2. Selective catalytic reduction ammonia. 3. Electrostatic precipitator, smoke. 4. Scrubbers, dust and gas particles. Which of the statements given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 2, 3, and 4 only. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding ammonia pollution. 1. Higher temperature is responsible for the reduction in ammonia pollution. 2. The Indus and the Indo-Gangetic plains have recently been identified as the hotspot of ammonia pollution. 3. Increased precipitation aggravates the level of ammonia pollution in the environment. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding dissolved oxygen. Do. 1. Decomposition of organic matter increases the dissolved oxygen, DO, of the water. 2. Chemical oxygen demand, COD, lowers the concentration of DO in water. 3. The concentration of DO is varied by respiration and photosynthesis only. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 only. Question 7. Consider the following factors regarding burning of stubble. 1. Use of combine harvesters. 2. Paddy transplantation. 3. Intensification of crops. 4. Short duration rice cultivation. 5. Crop diversification. Which of the factors mentioned above are responsible for the burning of stubble by the farmers? A. 1, 2, 3, and 5 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1, 3, 4, and 5 only. D. 2, 3, and 5 only. Question 8. Consider the following statements with respect to bioremediation. 1. Bioaugmentation is an ex situ bioremediation technique that enhances the degradation process. 2. Bioremediation works efficiently on all kinds of degradable and non-degradable wastes. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements. 1. Instances of acid rain are not found in the mountainous regions with thin soils. 2. To qualify for acid rain, the pH value of the rainwater must be less than 2. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. In the context of natural and anthropogenically acidified lakes, consider the following statements. 1. The concentration of dissolved carbon is high in the former while low in the latter. 2. The transparency of water is lower in case of naturally acidified lakes while high in case of the latter. 3. Both are very well buffered and are abundant with different species and rich aquatic life. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 11. Consider the following statements. 1. Parthenocarpic fruits are produced without the formation of seeds. 2. Both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages compulsorily contain at least one hydroxyl group. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 12. Consider the following pollutants. 1. Sulfur dioxide. 2. Lead. 3. Aluminum. 4. Phosphoric acid. 5. Methyl mercury. 6. Cadmium. Which of the pollutants given above are triggered with the acid rain and are not directly associated with it? A. 1, 2, 4, and 5 only. B. 2, 3, 5, and 6 only. C. 1, 3, 4, and 6 only. D. 2, 4, 5, and 6 only.